Hello and welcome. How are you doing? Next I like to show very useful Dremel accessory. What is in this Dremel accessory package, and this Dremel tools and this accessory's name is 191 and this tool is high speed cutter, and this cutter makes cutting, and we need this Dremel multi-tool. And then I show that what is this high speed cutter 191, and it is in here. And I open the package, and there is this tool inside in here, and this is really useful stuff. It is in that one, and this is tool what makes scratch and things almost any material. There is special cutting head, and it is very useful if we like to do any kind of markings, like in silver, or then steel, or then stainless steel, what is in here, or then glass, I have there glass bottle, or then some plastic, there is plastic, and then if we have some very hard steel like that knives, carbon steel, I will do also in here my signs. Okay, and now I am trying to do all of these things what I am in here in the letter like P. It's like my sign, and let's start to do that job. And I start this job in this very soft silver spoon, and before of that I need to insert that my Dremel accessory 191 in here, and I fasten and tighten that tool, and then remember, use protective eyeglasses and hearing protection. And I start in here to do that my P letter first. And let's take closer view. Good. And then I start, I think that I do that markings in here, and first I start this machine. I take my pencil, okay, there is key. Okay, and there is now 3, and actually there is my markings in there, and now I have made in that spoon my P marking, and then I continue when I have in here this my knife that I do in here P in this stainless steel and also in that plastic area. And let's look at how it works in there. Okay, good. Okay, and in this steel there is my marking, and I a little bit cleaned that using cotton cloth, and there is my marking, and I can add it more. It is P, and in here when I tried to do that in here, this plastic, it was a little bit more difficult. Okay, but anyway, something. And then I have here another steel tool, and I think that I do in that area also my marking this P. And let's look at how this works. Okay, good. And there we have quite nice P in there, in here. And this is nice. That I like. Maybe the steel was a little bit softer in here. And then I take my next thing, and it is glass, because there's my glass bottle. It is standard bottle. There was olive oil inside in here, and I am planning to do in here signs like P. And let's look at what happens. Okay, glass and on. Okay, and this is interesting because this looks like to be quite hard on cotton cloth, and now it seems that there is no any markings, and that means that this material is too hard for that steel. Maybe I need in this diamond cutter, and diamond makes in here those scratches. But now I think that there is not, this is almost, no, there is no anything. Okay, and glass is too hard, and then I have this plastic. I have some used plastic plate, and there I do also P in here. Okay, let's look. Let's look what happens. Okay, and in here I managed to do very easily. This P symbol in there, it works well. It is in here, and I can actually use a little bit paint, and it's in there. This P, and this is because this is so soft plastic. Okay, good. And then final part is that when I have in here this high quality Kabar knife, and I think that I like to insert in here my P comments in here, in that side. Okay, and I will do that next. Okay, good. And there is now my signs in this knife, and there is P, and in here this my Dremel makes this sign very nicely. Okay, and there was many examples for that high-speed cutter for this 191, and then I take that cutter away in here that we can look that, and it is in there. It is small tool. Where is this head is shaped in here. Okay, and this was useful thing if we like to do markings like P and P. And then there was in this silver spoon, there is also many markings P and P, and then in that tool also nice P. Okay, good, and that was this information, and thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day to you.